how do we handle stage fear? If you're the kind of person who's beginning or who's starting for the first time, then just take the first step, which is to find a group of people and just go ahead and just stand in front of them. That's probably the best thing that you can do, because you would already start feeling the pressure. Some people would start sweating, some would start shivering, some would have this nervous hand shaking or their legs shaking, and just stay there. And mind you, when I say this group of people, please ensure that it's your friends, because this is a perceived fear. The audience is not out there to bite your head off, right? You know that, we know that. But do you realize that? Let me give you a very easy technique which should work for most of the times, which is as simple as breathing. Now you might think, what is wrong with this fellow? We breathe, we normally breathe. I'm breathing right now, you're breathing right now. How does that help? Well, it does. Because focused breathing right before you're asked to speak, or probably you've already been asked that question or whatever to answer, and you suddenly feel that as if you are locked up in this pressure situation. So allow yourself to release that pressure by just taking a deep breath and relax. Feel it filling through your body, through your lungs. Allow that to release slowly as you exhale, and allow it to help relax all muscles, facial muscles, tension, everything. Just allow it to relax. Breathe once more. Because see, when you are nervous, you might as well take this one more risk of probably looking like a fool. But if this helps calm you down, you can at least respond to that situation. I always say never ever react. Always respond. Because reaction is instant. It may go right, it may not go right. But response allows you that fraction of a second to make a better decision. Whether you want to respond with an increased level of attention, or you can probably just relax, think about it, what is really asked, paraphrase that question. And one of the best ways to answer a question is to rephrase and clarify that question. In most situations, 95% of the times you can ask, is this the question that you asked? Is this what you mean? And that triggers you off to answering your own version of that question, which is much easier, which is perceived to be much easier than the question itself that was asked. So that is what I would recommend for stage fear: to breathe, calm down, repeat the question for yourself in your own words, paraphrase it, and then answer that question. You will